Hi, I'm John Raleigh with Plan Your Federal Retirement, and today we're going to talk about your FERS supplement. So let's go ahead and go through the concepts associated so that we can make sure we're on the same page and you can help understand the value and the benefit of having this FERS supplement available to you. Now, the FERS supplement, it's got a bunch of different names that people have used depending on the agency you're in. The SRS, the Annuity, or the Social Security supplement. All three of those are referring to the same things. Now, those will help you with sort of the definition of what it's all about. You have a wonderful benefit that's in place. And that means if you meet certain guidelines, what will happen is you'll be eligible to bridge the gap between an early retirement and age 62 when you're first eligible for Social Security. Now, you've worked hard, you've put your time in. You deserve to benefit from this if you can check all the boxes and be eligible for it. But you need to make sure you understand why it's there. First of all, your requirements to get there. You have to spend 30 years and reach your MRA, right? Your minimum retirement age. So that's the first. And if you've done that and you're able to retire prior to 62, this is where this benefit can be extremely powerful. Also, if you've reached age 60 and have 20 years of service, if that's the case, then you are eligible also. Now, if you go back and think about how this works, the earliest you can receive Social Security is at age 62. May not be the best time to take it, but it's still there and it's a benefit eligible for you. If you retire at 56 or 57 or whatever your MRA is, or you've reached age 60 and you're just ready to retire, and you've given 20 years of service of which you're eligible for, now all of a sudden you've reached your ability to receive this supplement. This supplement will give you that gap or pay you money in between then and 62 to help make sure you have enough money coming in once you're retired. Now, let's go ahead and think about how is it affected though, and how is it going to affect your bottom line? And just remember, it's considered a salary payment on the year in which you receive it. So tax-wise, you have to take that into account as it is. But once again, I go back to an extremely powerful supplement that you have available to you to be able to bridge that gap. And it can make a huge difference in individuals' prep for retirement and then also getting through retirement. The other thing too is it gives you more options because in bridging that gap, you may decide not to take Social Security at 62. You may decide to push it back because of the benefits of doing that if you have other assets available. So it will also help not put a strain on maybe your TSP or other investments that you have there to help give you the income that you need to be able to maintain that retirement lifestyle that you're looking for. There's a great IRS publication available to you if you want to get more into the SRS and understand it, and that's the IRS Pub 721. That is the Tax Guide to Civil Service and Civil Service Retirement. It is a great resource, and you can help unravel some of the confusing pieces associated with it. All in all, if you think about it, this benefit is really powerful if you're going to be eligible to retire prior to 62. And if that's the case, make sure you understand it, make sure it ties into your whole plan around it, and make sure you don't miss getting this benefit because it is a great one to get. Now, if you understand this and you're willing to spend the time and go through, maybe spend some time going through 721, you probably then will be able to handle this pretty well. If not, or you're just uncomfortable doing, hire a competent financial advisor to help you get through the process. If you want to sit down and talk with us, we'd be more than happy to set up an initial consultation to answer your specific questions. If you need more information on that, go ahead and go to our website, planyourfederalretirement.com. And until next time, happy planning.